Hi everybody, it's Leslie, and we are going to show you the moves for the tornado dance. Now remember, we all have our tornado sleeves on. The important thing is to keep them so that the streamers don't get tangled. So you don't want to move too quickly or cross or anything. And remember, the first part we are in a straight line and we're facing back, but obviously for video purposes, I'm going to face front. And the first time we do it, we're doing it in a peel, this opening, right, left. The second time we do it together, and then we spin out. But anyway, let's try it and see how it goes. So this is where the tornado lines are being spoken. You know, Dorothy, Dorothy, Toto, you come back here. There's a storm coming. And 1, 2, and 3, they come spinning on. And then 4, 5, and 6, they come spinning on. 1, 2, 3, get into a line. 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, 10, 11, 12, come on. Right, left, slow up, slow down. That was an appeal. Now together, right, left, up, and we spin to our spots. Out, cross, out, together. And now we're going to go left, out, cross, out, down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are making a circle in the front. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is coming down. And we're making a circle. We're walking, walking. 2 circles going opposite directions. Up, down, cross. Up, cross. Right, left, cross, left, right, and cross. And then we spin